Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm talking about Neo, and I want to update you guys and let you guys know that Gonzu International Motor Show, or Auto Gonzu, is November 20th to the 29th. So keep that in mind as we go along this week. These are some images of what we can expect at the show. But check this out. They already have flyers out over there in China. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of cars present at that auto show. It's gonna be interesting. We should see cars over there being unveiled, and also a lot of other EV makers like Xpeng and Li Auto showing up to those events, so to show off the cars that will soon be available. Shares of NIO are up more than 1,000% this year, and the stock got a 4 target hikes today following quarter 3 results. Bank of America was the biggest bull for a few hours this morning, but then Credit Suisse upped its target to $60. But check this out though. What do you guys think about this graph? Do you guys see this growth right here? It looks pretty good to me. I mean, if you bought into NIO like during March when the pandemic affected the stock market and like the whole thing crashed, man, you made a lot of money, especially if you bought a lot of shares, which back then you were able to pick up thousands of shares for less than $10,000. Now that's like owning 1,000 shares of NIO is like a dream right now for most people, because not everyone can afford that, especially because it's $40-50 per share. It's getting pretty expensive. Guys, I want to show you guys this, but if you're new to investing for whatever reason, there's a link to Webull in the description. Hurry up fast, because if you sign up and deposit $100, you are now able to get 4 free stocks if you join Webull today. Use the link in the description of the video. Check that out. Sign up, deposit $100, and you will get 4 free stocks. These stocks can range anywhere between $2 to $250 each. And yeah, this is how you get it. You basically open a Webull brokerage account, and then you make an initial deposit of $100 or more and receive 2 free stocks. So very cool, guys. Now this is an upgrade that just happened today on the 18th, or well, it's the 19th now, but it basically happened earlier yesterday. What took place was Credit Suisse basically upgraded the company. So this is what they had to say. They said, considering the better expected gross margin, we revised up the 2020 to 22 net profit estimate by 11 to 33% with higher margin assumption, resulting in a higher target price of $60, up from $25. Key catalyst is a new sedan product to be showcased on NIO Day, and that car is supposed to be the E7 that I showed you guys in my previous video. This is like the second price target, guys. It's only been 3 minutes since I've been talking about this stock with you guys here in this video, but check this out. JP Morgan actually lifted the price target to $50 for NIO, guys. Yeah, that's great. That's good news. And one of the reasons again why they're raising the price target is because of the the quarter 3 results, and they reviewed it. They saw that it was good. Now Bank of America Securities maintains a buy on NIO, so they keep their buy rating, and they raise their price target to $54.70. Impressive. The analyst John Murphy was the one who was responsible for that upgrade. Now, from the trading view community, I want to show you guys this post, but basically NIO is on a bullish rising wedge, as you can see right here, indicating that it could go up to $58 here in the near future, like beginning of December of 2020. So expect some price action leading up to November results and stuff, like how many cars we delivered this month. We're gonna see some price action, hopefully see the price go up to 60. He said that the bullish rising wedge to be seen here, the target is around 58, aiming for bullish continuation, and really strong catalyst on quarter 3 earnings, narrowing the quarterly loss. So every new quarter, it looks like NIO is narrowing their quarterly losses, so that's pretty good. So here's a bullish post on the trading view community saying NIO to all-time high again, and he just drew a triangle pattern right here. This is pretty bullish. He's saying that the price should be going back up to all-time high prices, and he also mentioned in the caption saying, from technical standpoint, NIO is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern to break out after the fearful earnings call and pullback. NIO is expected to go all-time high again. So he's saying that because of the consolidation and stuff, like we were just staying around these prices. This is just kind of like the price of NIO just taking a breath after going up so much. It just needed to consolidate here for a little bit, and now that we're maintaining the price above $45 for the most part, we should be going back up to 50 at least, and then by then I think FOMO is gonna hit NEO, and people are gonna buy into it because they know that we're gonna try to retest that all-time high or resistance area, which is of $53, and that's where we want to be at, is $53, because that's where most of the recent price targets have been aiming for, and yeah, we should be there. Now here's another post. This is kind of bearish, but it does kind of make sense. I mean, it got like 27 likes. It was posted 13 hours ago, so it caught my attention. But he said a decisive chart pattern for NEO. So he made again another triangle chart pattern right here, basically saying that NEO could go back up and start trending upwards again. But he mentioned that in the hourly chart it could break out to any direction, but usually triangles are continuation patterns, meaning that situation favors the bulls. So he's outlining that this could be very bullish, and that if we see a downwards breakout, probably the black line is going to hold the price, but it could trigger an HNS chart pattern. So he's saying if NEO starts trending downwards for some reason, then we can go back down to $40. But I don't see that happening. I've said this so many times in my videos, guys. I think that this is the last time we'll see NEO under $50. I mean, this is the last month we'll see NEO under $50. I think that December and January, December of this year and January of next year, I think that's when we're going to stay above $55 at least. And that's because of the good news. And in December we're going to get the delivery numbers for November, and there's going to be a lot of price action. Usually NEO goes up higher when there's growth in month over month or quarter over quarter in terms of deliveries and sales of their cars. So yeah, he's just put a lot of other price targets, saying that if NEO starts going down in price, that it could signal the price just dropping. And one thing he mentioned, which I don't know if this is even possible, but he said if NEO hits the $36 zone again, maybe it'll start to look interesting, and any bullish signal around there could trigger a buy. So far NEO is resisting, and as long as we don't see the points mentioned in this analysis, so it's saying as long as it doesn't downtrend again, it will just continue going up, because it already took some time to consolidate around $45, which is where we're at right now. And now that the price took a breath, we should be going up and just go up beyond 50. So we shall never underestimate a bull trend. And if you like this, okay, so yeah, well, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and comment. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here and you want to stay updated on NEO, Li Auto, and also Xpeng Motors. I make updates regularly now about these companies and just anything related to the NEO or EV community. I talk about that in my videos, so definitely subscribe for that, and I'll see you all later. Peace out.